don't click away from this video. If you are expecting advice like, wake up at 5 a.m., drink a glass of warm lemon water, and write down 10 things you are grateful for. If those things actually worked, you wouldn't be sitting here, scrolling through your phone in anxiety, feeling like your life is completely stuck. The truth is, you don't need another endlessly long to-do list. What you need is a mental overhaul. Why is your life stuck? Not because you lack talent, but because you have become a master at lying to yourself. You use fake busyness to cover up the emptiness. You scroll through social media to escape the reality that you're terrified. Today, we stop that. I am going to give you the 24-hour reset system. A do or die day. Do it, or accept rotting away in regret. The first step of today, absolute disconnection. For just the first hour, right after waking up, do not touch your phone. Treat it like poison to your focus. No Wi-Fi, no music, no podcasts. I am warning you, you will feel extremely restless. You will crave the feeling of scrolling through TikTok or checking your messages. You will tell yourself, just 1 minute. But don't. That exact feeling of discomfort is proof that your brain is addicted to distraction. When you shut off the noise from others, the screams of your own soul will finally start to be heard. Step 2, walk over to a mirror, look straight into your own eyes for at least 2 minutes. Don't look at your acne or your wrinkles. Look deep inside and ask yourself one single question. How much longer are you going to keep lying to yourself? After that, grab a blank piece of paper. Write down the most bitter truth about your life right now. Don't write things that sound elegant. Write, I am drowning in debt because of a stupid spending. I am letting my youth pass by meaninglessly, or I am lazy but always play the victim. When you write it down, you're no longer running away. You are standing your ground and looking that monster dead in the eye. Right now, hold on. Before you keep watching, I challenge you to scroll down to the comments section and dare to write down one truth that you're avoiding. The format is, I'm avoiding. Only when you dare to face it publicly will you have the courage to change. Do it right now. Step 3, now set aside exactly 1 hour and execute the 20-20-20 formula. This single hour will be more valuable than a whole month of you working like a zombie. The first 20 minutes, free your body. No need for a fancy gym workout. Go for a run, jump rope, or do push-ups. It doesn't have to be perfect, but work out until you are sweating and gasping for air. When your body hits its limit, your mind will stop chattering about pointless worries. The next 20 minutes, trash your mind's garbage. Take out your notebook and write down everything that is making you anxious. Don't care about the grammar. Just let the pen flow on the paper. Once the garbage is on the paper, it is no longer weighing down your head. The final 20 minutes, map out your strategy. Don't plan out the whole year. Pick exactly 3 things, the most important tasks you absolutely must complete in the upcoming week to escape your current mess. Only 3 things. Clarity is power. At the end of the day, right before bed, stand in front of that mirror one more time. This time, there is no more judgment. Look at yourself and say, today, at least I didn't run away. One day cannot instantly give you a new life, but this one day will give you a new self, a version of you, who knows that they have the ability to control their destiny instead of being a slave to the taps on a phone screen. The world is not lacking in dreamers. The world is only lacking people who dare to live true to themselves even for just one day. Don't wait until Monday. Don't wait until next month. Choose tomorrow to be your reset day. Right now, if this video has woken you up, hit like and subscribe to the channel so I can continue to accompany you in your transformation in the next videos. But for now, turn off this screen and start living your actual life.